How you doing? This is Ed at Delray Beach Motors doing another undercarriage review. New inventory here. 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass Hurst Olds Special Edition. Let's take a look underneath the skirt of this one. All right. So we're looking. This car is extremely solid and clean. Frame rails, front suspension, the bushings, everything looks to be original. Even the sway bar bushings look to be in really good shape. Look like probably been replaced at some point. Got the 307 in it. Got a little bit of seepage from the oil pan, but nothing you wouldn't expect from a, car of this age. What really impressed me are the pans on this thing. When we first got the car, they were coated in this, like you can see it, it's almost like a oil residue, but the whole underneath of the car was coated. And as we're wiping it off, they obviously did it to keep the car from rusting at all. There are no major leaks or anything that would cause that. It looks to be more like a vegetable grease or Pam or something. I know, being from the Midwest, we used to spray the undercarriage of our car with Pam to keep it from rotting and the moisture getting in there. You can see a little signs of it right there. That's what it looked like, the whole bottom, real glossy, right? But the pans, the frame, everything is in absolutely pristine condition for the age of this car. Control arms are like it would have came from the factory. Sway bar, everything's in place. You can see the spring still has some of the coating on it, and that's what it looked like. It was coated. Drum brakes in the rear quarters, inner quarters, trunk pan, gas tank. Everything on this car is top notch. Lower quarter panel right side as we come around. Come over here, get a closer look. Rockers, lower doors, all in really, really good condition. Just a little bit of road dirt on it from it being shipped. This car is for sale currently at Delray Beach Motors, delraybeachmotors.com. If you want to schedule a virtual tour, you can give us a call at 561-929. Well, I'm sorry, 561-910-4911. And we'll have additional pictures and additional video footage of the car's condition, but at least you got to look underneath to warrant that the condition of the vehicle is beautiful underneath as it is on top. Once again, this is Ed at Delray Beach Motors. Give us a call, 561-910-4911, or visit us at delraybeachmotors.com.